Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the cool one. I actually never saw this one before. Maybe I saw it and I forgot because it's a fantasy. So okay, one of my personal favorite villain in Spider-Man is Venom. I mean, he is actually an anti-hero compared, more than a villain. So I was hoping, they would do Dark Arc or Green Goblin kind of cars instead of always going with the Spider Gwen or Miles Morales or Scorpion. So I'm good with Venom being one of the castings because it is really beautiful. I mean, okay, let me show you this. So I bought this for 299, which is the MRP, and so with that said, let's unbox this. The card art actually looks really nice. Okay, here is one more thing. I don't know where I put the knife which I normally use to unbox all these things. So yeah, here is the another one. This is huge and this is actually very sharp. So okay, it is already unlocked. Yeah, this is actually very very sharp. I usually keep this just for because it looks cool. Honestly, for unboxing purpose, this is a bit hard to use and it is very very sharp. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here's the card art. So that actually features the full Venom figure on this card art. That is really nice. So if anyone wants to customize this card or do something really cool with it, they can actually remove the blister. Like some other people are suggesting, they can put this nail polish remover and they can remove it out. Personally, I don't have the time, as you guys know, and I record every video in one shot and post because that's the only day I have to. Saturday is the only day I actually have time to record videos. So that's why I'm not doing that. But thanks for the suggestion though. So let me just put this aside. Okay, so the casting actually looks really cool. I mean, you can see the Venom artwork here. That is so amazing. And you can see here it is mentioning as we are Venom, and I don't know if it is erased on purpose or is it some kind of issue in my casting. Okay, but that does look cool. If this is an error, then it is really sad. If it is not an error, it still looks really cool. Okay, and so it does have headlight detailing. I mean, which is embossed. I mean, the grill is chromed out and the headlights are embossed on top of it. And okay, so this side also features the same artwork. They could have went with some color here, like full white car and Venom in the in black color. That would have been really nice. But they went with full black casting with white color for Venom. Okay, that also looks really good. Okay, the rear has this symbiote spider logo. That looks really nice. Actually, the rims on this looks really nice. You can see here. It says Hotwheels. Wow, we don't know. Okay, even the rims on the front, that actually looks really good. So the exhaust is the side. I mean, is it removable? And I really don't know about this casting. If you know something, guys, please drop me in the comments. Okay, it is not removable, but it does have some good detailing on the inside. You can see. Okay, so the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, and I don't know if this is supposed to be an air intake. That is also plastic, but everything is chromed out. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 40 grams. That's not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it is rolling good. May not be the best, but it's good. Okay, so let's rate this casting. So see, these are fantasy castings. I don't know based on basis on what I can rate this. Okay, so maybe since it's something based on like franchise, maybe we can rate based on that. Okay, so let's maybe rate based on the coolness instead of going with the detailing alone. Okay, so let's start with the detailing. So detailing wise, it does look really good. It has, I mean, since it's a fantasy casting, I'm not sure whether it is supposed to have tail lights or anything, but it has, all these accents and all in white. So we do have everything here. And so on the coolness factor, I would say this is really cool. The Venom artwork on this one looks absolutely amazing. I personally love this. My only nitpick here is, maybe I don't know how many people actually think the same way, which I'm thinking. I would have wished the Venom in black color and the casting in white color. So the Venom would pop out more, because right now if you keep it in a distance and look at it, the Venom is not going to be visible that easily. So if you are keeping it this close, then you will be able to notice that. So you can see this tendrils here that is in black color, and that looks really good. On the coolness factor, I would say maybe like 9 out of 10, because of this reversed color scheme. So overall rating for this casting, I would give like 9 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.